We're making some muffins today for our snacks, our afternoon snack. We've got Winnie and we've got Angela, we've got Elizabeth and Joreen, everybody. We've got Barbara and Della and Chris. Everybody's shared in the work. Filling up our cups. That's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. Just fill them up halfway, Barbara. Each one will have a half of a muffin tin. Good job, Angela. That looks beautiful. That's perfect. And then if you get tired, Della's over there. She's going to wait and start filling some as well. Good job, Elizabeth. We've got different kinds. We've got strawberry muffins. We've got blueberry cream cheese muffin. And it was, I think, a berry muffin. So everybody's doing a wonderful job. How you doing, Winnie? You doing okay?
I'm doing fine, honey.
Wonderful. We put the package in the bowl and we added a half a cup of milk. We had some ladies that were stirring them. We had some ladies that put the little muffin cups in the tin.
Fill up these things with whatever's in here.
Only half full. We'll see how much we have left. So you only want to do half full on those muffin tins.
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing that.
Everybody's doing wonderful. And then the next video will be, hopefully,
That's enough.
we'll have plenty for everybody, and the next video will be the outcome of this delicious treat. Okay, so we have the muffins all out of the oven, and all the residents are starting to taste them. Barbara, give me your opinion on how they all taste. Angela? Elizabeth? Elizabeth you got the blueberry. How is it, Elizabeth?
Good.
Wonderful.
What you do?
So open up yours.
got it,
Yeah?
yeah.
And what did you get? You got a blueberry too. How is yours, Joreen?
Good.
Barbara, have you had a bite yet?
I'm saving it.
Saving it, okay.
For what?
Della, what's your opinion?
Very, very good.
Very good? You guys did a great job.
And it's all the way through. Sometimes you find, there's an opening. And
Yes.
it's very
And they're still warm, aren't they? Nice and warm. You guys did all the work. This is the fruit of your labors.
You're a great tutor.
Oh, and Chris, those are Chris's. You got yours right there, sweetheart. I want you to have your muffin and enjoy it. And the rest of those we're gonna give to the rest of the residents. This will be everybody's snack today.
Delicious. I gotta buy some.
Yeah. They turned out wonderful. You guys did a great job. They're all quiet, just eating, enjoying the warm treat. Perfect.